Hello.
How you doing, bro?
I'm good. Nice to meet you. This is the... Hi. Alright. So you lost the key?
Yeah.
Push start. Let me see.
It's hot.
It's a lot, so 300, yes.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. We have to wait like 12 minutes, like that.
Hello?
Successful. Lock. Unlock. Start the car.
Oh, you got an automatic start?
Yes?
Oh, when it started it? I always had it? I always had automatic start on my old one too?
I don't know. I told you. I asked you. The only one got it. You
Bro, I never know that.
Oh, what? You got a remote start now?
Shit, now it's better. You go bunk.
Open. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good one.